we've got a few seconds to kind of idle over to them very slowly, and as they come up to breathe, then we just put the tag right on their back.
These scientists studying humpback whales off the coast of New England are using small video cameras called National Geographic Critter Cams, combined with special tags called D-tags, to gather never-before-seen data about the individuality of these huge creatures.
These animals are righty and lefty, just like people are. And we found that about 90% of the animals turn one way, about 8% the other way, and then there's a couple percent that are sort of confused. And if you look at handedness in humans or other animals, it's the exact same ratio.
It's a challenge to tag a whale. The scientists use special suction cups to attach the cameras and D-tags to the animals' backs. The team has been gathering D-tag data for a decade.
The sensors that are in the D-tag essentially allow us to recreate the movement of the animal underwater in, depth, pitch, roll, heading, acceleration, and we can tease out different behaviors from the different signals that the tag gives us.
With the data, the team creates computer simulations of the tagged whale's movements.
And this is a classic sort of lunge loop in the midwater.
These models are exactly what the scientists have been hoping for. They now know how the whales hunt.
And that's exactly what the animal is doing. So it's blowing a stream of bubbles here, and then it starts pulsing bubbles and bursts of bubbles here and here and here, and then it comes up through there with its mouth open and grabs the fish.
The Critter Cam video is further visual confirmation of the computer modeling.
They all have their unique styles of doing things. There's this general category of blowing bubble nets, which we've identified very nicely, but each humpback whale does it a little bit differently. So they all invent their own way of creating a bubble net.
Here we can see the whales blowing bubbles to catch food.
These are things that as a kid or as a young scientist you dream about, putting on these kind of tags that tell you what they're doing underwater, and then putting, cameras on their backs to see so you can actually visualize what they're doing, and then bringing these things all together into one view of what whales are doing at this place in time is pretty powerful and very fun.